Borg, sit down.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving deep into a game-changing technique for video generation. If you've ever struggled with character consistency and control in AI videos, where your main character suddenly changes outfits or features, this is for you. We'll be using nano-banana Pro for image generation and the VEO3 video model. The key is to treat our final video like a recipe that needs 3 perfect ingredients. We need 3 specific images: the reference image for character consistency, the empty scene for environmental control, and the starting frame for precise character placement.
Bring toy. Borg, sit down.
Let's start the workflow. We start a new project, move to image generation, check landscape, 2 outputs, and select nano-banana Pro. We establish our look with this prompt. Create low poly character of female dog handler and low poly German shepherd next to her in standing position. We select the best image. We use a refining prompt to generate a 4-panel reference sheet, naming our handler, Dora, and our German Shepherd, Borg. This sheet is our source of consistency. Make a grid of 4 images in image 1. Create reference images of female dog handler. Front view, side view. In image 2, create reference images of German Shepherd. Front view, side view. In image 3, create reference images of female handler's face. Front view, side view. In image 4, create reference images of German Shepherd's face. Front view, side view. Name of the handler is Dora. Name of German Shepherd is Borg. All right, this is very nice reference image sheet. Download it. Next, the empty stage. We go back to our first image and tell the model to clear the characters. Remove Dora and Borg, leave only the background scene. This cleaned up image is our constant environment. Save it. Our third ingredient is the starting frame. We load the reference image as our visual guide. We then describe the exact placement. Image 1 represents reference image of Dora and Borg. Add Dora and Borg into the scene. Dora is in front view facing camera. Borg is standing next to Dora's left leg. Front view of the Borg facing camera. This guarantees their consistent look and perfect initial pose. Download the starting frame. We have all 3. Now we load them into VEO3 video model under ingredients to video. Mapping them as image 1, reference, image 2, scene, and image 3, starting frame. We then create the full action script for our 8-second video, dividing it into 3 parts. Image 1 represents reference image of Dora and Borg. Image 2 represents the scene. Image 3 represents first frame. Add Dora and Borg into the scene as on image 3. Divide 8 seconds video into 3 parts. Part 1. From 0 to 1 second of the video, they are standing still. Borg is in standing position just like on image 3. Dora is in standing position just like on image 3. Part 2. Dora gives order to Borg to sit down using a calm and assertive voice. Borg, sit down. After Dora finishes saying, Borg, sit down, Borg obeys her and sits down. Part 3. Dora returns to the position from image 3 as the starting frame. Borg remains calm in the sitting position till the end of the video.
Borg. Sit down. Borg. Sit down.
And there it is. Complete control over the character's
Borg.
look, the scene's environment,
Sit
and the
down.
action. This workflow using the 3 essential ingredients S, the key to ultimate consistency in your AI videos.
Bring toy.
To bring this scene, the dog retrieving the toy, to life, I followed a 4-step generation process. First, I set the main background by using an empty room as my primary scene ingredient. Next, I established the initial layout and composition by using a reference of a dog and a toy image to define their starting position. For detailed visual guidance, I incorporated 2 separate reference images. One for the specific look of the toy, and another for the exact appearance and pose of the dog. The final step involved combining these specific references, the detailed toy and the detailed dog, into one single cohesive image placed within our empty room. For this character in the room scene, I used same principles. Reference images of female body and face and first ingredient. Reference image of her standing in the room in exact position. And the empty room with marker on the wall as our scene. That's it for today's tutorial.
Sit
If you
down.
like this content and want more deep dive workflows like this, please hit that like button, share,
Borg.
and subscribe to the channel.
Sit
This is
down.
7 Gray Cubes, and I'll catch you in the next one.